Aruri Ramesh is the BJP candidate from Warangal parliamentary constituency. We are here at his campaign in Zafargarh. Now this is a bordering town here. There is a Zafargarh fort there. So let us go and have a word with the people here. Let us see and speak with them why they have turned up in such massive numbers to show their support, and also let us try and speak to Mr. Aruri Ramesh. What are your plan for Warangal?
I want plan for total 7 assembly constituents मिलके एक डीपीआर तैयार करा और नंबर 1 मामनूर एयरपोर्ट इमीडिएटली नंबर 2 परकाल टू भूपालपल्ली railway track and station number 3 IT hub extension number 4 textile park extension number 5 food processing units number 6 station Ganpurlo Tola Parisrama number 7 Palakurti Kodakanlo textile park.
सर आप यहाँ से कैंडिडेट प्राइम मिनिस्टर मोदी का विजन आप इम्प्लीमेंट करोगे जीत गए तो?
100% मोदी यही कह रहे हैं. मोदी साहब मीटिंग बाद में ज़्यादा वो वरंगल वाला जीतने की आश्वस्त दे की रेडी है.
We are here in Warangal parliamentary constituency, and the candidate Aruri Ramesh is about to arrive here for his campaign. This is Zafargarh. So we are in Zafargarh right now, and there is a big fort around us. These people have gathered here. Let us speak to them. आपका नाम क्या है?
सरिता.
सरिता जी, इस बार चुनाव
बीजेपी नरेंद्र मोदी.
नरेंद्र मोदी को वोट देंगे. नरेंद्र मोदी को वोट देने का क्यों वोट देंगे? क्या काम अच्छा लगा?
अच्छा लगा అంటే అది నరేంద్ర మోడీ మన రైస్ నరేంద్ర మోడీ మన అన్ని నరేంద్ర మోడీ అంటే కొంచెం అన్ని నరేంద్ర మోడీ ఇస్తాడు కాబట్టి నరేంద్ర మోడీకే ఓటు.
राइस मिलता
రైతు బంధు
और क्या मिलता?
क्या मिलता రైస్
पीएम किसान अकाउंट में पैसे आते?
पैसे आता नरेंद्र मोदी आते
खेती के लिए पैसे आते? और बाकी काम अच्छा लगता?
बाकी ना
और नरेंद्र मोदी का काम अच्छा लगता?
अच्छा लगता है.
आप क्या बोलोगे, किसको वोट देना चाहोगे? आप भी बीजेपी को वोट दोगे?
बीजेपी वोट है.
काम अच्छा लगता?
अच्छा है.
ये जो लेकर बैठे क्या करोगे? डांडिया. इधर का डांस है? डांस इधर का डांस है. तो आप अभी अरूरी रमेश आएंगे तो आप डांडिया
కోలాట ఆడతాను మేము సంతోషంగా అట్లా
आपका नाम?
शंकर.
शंकर जी, इस बार किसको वोट दे रहे हो?
बीजेपी.
बीजेपी.
नरेंद्र मोदी. अरुण रमेश.
अरुण रमेश. क्यों वोट डालते हैं बीजेपी? वाई?
ये कमला गुर्तु. कमला गुर्तु को डालते.
कमल को डालते. क्यों डालते? काम अच्छा लगा मोदी का काम?
मोदी अच्छा लगा. हम एसटी वाले हम डालता वोटे डालता बीजेपी फुल्लू मिजाट.
आप किसको वोट डालने वाले हो?
क्यों?
किसको वोट डालोगे?
किसको? बीजेपी डालेगा.
इस बार वोट किसको देंगे?
मोदी एंड अरूरी रमेश.
अच्छा, मोदी के लिए अरूरी रमेश को वोट देंगे. अच्छा, मोदी का काम अच्छा लगता?
మంచిగా చేస్తాను పని.
क्या 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 अच्छा लगता मोदी?
రేషన్ బియ్యము మన వ్యాక్సిన్ ఈ గ్యాస్ అన్ని ఇస్తున్నాడు కాబట్టి మనం ఓటు వేసి గెలిపించుకుందాం.
కమలం పువ్వు గుర్తుకే. ఇది కాదు, ఈ మొండిసాయి కాదు సుమా, మొన్ననే డేంజర్ అయింది ఇది. ఇట్లా రాలే కమలం పువ్వు అంటే.
किसको वोट इस बार?
మోడీ
मोदी. क्यों मोदी?
నరేంద్ర మోడీ
नरेंद्र मोदी. मोदी को क्यों वोट डालते?
మోడీ మోడీకి దాల్తే
मोदी को वोट ये सब बोल रहे हैं कि डालेंगे, क्या रीजन, क्या कारण की वोट डालेंगे?
इन ये तेलंगाना आदमी, ये तेलंगाना में पूरा आदमी को वो रेशन बीएम, वो कोरोना वैक्सीन, सबका साथ सबका विकास, वो वो क्या है, ग्राम पंचायत का सिब्बंदी का वही, ये सीसी रोड,
सीसी रोड, ये ग्राम सड़क योजना,
ग्राम सड़क, ये ग्राम लाइटिंग,
लाइटिंग.
ये मना ये क्या बोलते हैं उसको, उपाधि हामी.
ठीक है. आपको राशन मिला? राशन, रेशन मिले?
ये पूरा ये यूरिया डीएपी में सब्सिडी मिले.
यूरिया का सब्सिडी मिला?
वो सामान्य रैत का और రైతు బంధు है ना, पीएम किसान मोली है ना.
एक मंथ लिखा 2000 हो बड़ा सर,
पीएम किसान वाला.
2000 देते हो सर एक दिन में.
So, what is your name?
My name is Umesh.
Umesh, tell us, a lot of people have turned up today for Aruri Ramesh ji's campaign. There is a support for BJP here?
Yes, 100%. In our Telangana, there are 17 MP seats. Present, we are talking about Warangal seat. Warangal seat is very important and very crucial. This is SC state. SC is Niyajwargam, means that is the constituency of MP. Mainly, there is a two parties. Now, BRS party is completely down. There is a fight between Congress and BJP only. Now, day by day, that Congress will be falling their situation, and BJP unknowingly they were increasing their means public. They are thinking about to come. We want money in South also. There are 125 MP seats. Now 100% they are minimum 80 to 90 seats MP seat in South. They guarding BJP.
Okay, so tell me one thing. You are saying that a lot of people now are supporting BJP. What are their reasons? Like even you, what is your reason behind supporting?
Mainly reason is one thing only. There is a that in 6 months back there is a BRS government in Telangana. Now it was fall and Congress come. Which way they come? They are only 6 guarantees they give. They even one guarantee also that Congress will not any one guarantee. Though we are saying 6 guarantees. First guarantee they are said that they 2 lakhs Runamafi doing. Even 1 rupee also for farmer not giving, and 500 bonus for paddy. 1 rupee also not increasing for paddy. Now they are some other farmers are dying without not daring that increasing paddies, and third there is a no. Say third one we have to say that for every girl, every woman in 18 years above, they giving scooties and 2,500 for every month. Even today also, एक भी woman को 2,900. Even scooty not there any.
So you are saying they have not fulfilled any of their 5 guarantees they gave?
Guarantees.
6 guarantees. So this time people do not want to vote for the Congress, they'll go for the BJP. Do you see people having confidence in Prime Minister Modi?
Yes, 100%. Even not only now, 6 months back before elections also Modi come from here. They are given so many guarantees that we are thinking that Modi guarantee is our guarantee. Our guarantee is Modi guarantee. The people are so believing themselves in their heart. They are saying only one thing. We want Modi, we want BJP. Now here there is a Congress government in Telangana. Anybody, not checking anybody in the world, they Hindus or Christians and nothing. They want only one thing: Modi, Modi, Modi. Now our what they are saying, 6 years old boy nunchi 60 years woman old. They are thinking only one thing: we want Modi. We change our country. That is a
security of this country. Modi is the intellectually person. So this country belongs to the world map in one number, where is all countries to develop are farmers or any systems. The Modi is a best person of the. Is no family, is no relation. In between, all are is family members.
Okay.
That's way.
Okay. Sir, you also you. Okay, you are BJP. You came to attend the support. You came to support the candidate here.
బీజేపీ సపోర్ట్.
ఐఎంఏ బీజేపీ నరేంద్ర మోడీకి నీ ఓటేస్తా. నరేంద్ర మోడీ వస్తేనే మన భారతదేశం బాగుపడుతుంది. ఇంకోటి ఈ కవ్యకు ఏం అన్యాయం చేసిండు అనేది కేసీఆర్ అన్నీ చేసినా కూడా ఆయనకు అన్యాయం వెన్నుపోటు పొడిచి వచ్చి కాంగ్రెస్లో చేరి బీజేపీకి వెన్నుపోటు పొడుతాడు. అందు గురించే మేము బీజేపీకి ఎత్తాము.
ఇండియా ఈజ్ డెవలపింగ్ కంట్రీ.
ఇస్తాం.
నెంబర్ 1 కంట్రీ.
జిందాబాద్ బీజేపీ జిందాబాద్.
కావాలని గెలిపించిన కడియం గారి కాంగ్రెస్ బోర్డు ఈ నియోజకవర్గానికి అన్యాయం చేసిండని ప్రతి ఒక్కరు
He's telling that candidate is 6 months back is BRS. He jumped to Congress. That they all are they voted for BRS, but he cheated the BRS and he went to Congress. So these people are want to know. We want.
They don't trust the Congress.
Yes. Now we that Revanth Reddy.
సచ్చిపోయినాడు. కాంగ్రెస్కు వాడు తెలుగుదేశంకి వెళ్ళి వచ్చిండు. తెలుగుదేశం చేసి మళ్ళా కాంగ్రెస్లోకి వచ్చాడు. ఇవంతా ఆ కడియం ఆకట్టుకున్న ఎట్టయితే బీజేపీ ఎన్నిపోటు పొడవాలని చూస్తాడు. అందుగురించే బీజేపీకి జిందాబాద్, బీజేపీ ఓటి.
We are here in Ghanpur, which is located in Warangal parliamentary constituency. Here, the candidate Aruri Ramesh has just finished his campaign at this hour, and we had a word with him. He's very confident of his victory, and he's very confident that the people will. Warangal, we will see you from Karimnagar soon.